my friends, welcome to YiLo Live. My name is Jared, I'm a bud tender at the YiLo Superstore and your host today. And today's topic, edible dosing. Today we're talking about edibles, a great alternative to smoking cannabis. It's very discreet, convenient, and they're delicious. However, eating too many edibles can ruin your experience. That's what we're here for, is to give you the best cannabis experience and most of all, find your dose. YiLo offers a unique dosing system that caters to all patients' needs by offering a variety of doses in every edible. So the recommended dosage is 5 to 15 milligrams, a great starting point for patients to find their dose. From there, we'll discover which milligram is best for you. These are the dosages for the entire edible. It's important that you know your tolerance before eating all of it. Tempting, I know. And with the option of indica or sativa. Thank you for tuning in with us today. Like this video, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, or come see me, Jared, at the YiLo Superstore.